Hello guys,
We are back.
with analysis of how to get the wicket of Steven Smith. The first strategy is to bowl bouncer or a short ball pointing towards his chest from off stump. The ideal pitching region would be around here, and the ball moving towards the chest of Steve Smith, to which he will go for a pull, and he could be exploited with his technique, and result this will result in the ball going towards the leg gully or to the deep square leg. By keeping on leg gully and deep square leg, England has exploited Steven Smith from the 2019 Ashes till the last Ashes. This this technique is very useful against Steve Smith. It could definitely get his wicket. The pacers need to bowl a short ball towards his chest, so that either he would be caught at leg gully or deep square leg, or sometimes if he gets it, he would be caught by the wicket keeper. Second strategy is to bowl a fast in swinger by keeping the ball in the fourth or fifth stump region, and to take the ball quickly to the stump, so that he would have less time to react, so that his wicket could be taken via LBW, or even sometimes even bowled. The ideal pitching region would be here, pitching in good length or back of length delivery, which would go and hit the stumps. From here, a fast in swinger would potentially take the wicket of Steve Smith. The next strategy is for left-arm spinners, pitching in the middle stump and taking it towards the off stump or the outside off stump would potentially make Steven Smith confused, and potentially he would get a thick outside edge, from which the ball could carry towards the slip or to the wicket keeper. The ideal pitching region should be here. Ah, so that the point of contact would be here. So it would be carried to either to the keeper or to the first leg. That's all for today. We will come back with next video. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.
Bye.